Guys, Tech Trends here. So today I'm going to explain a video about what to do when we get an unknown error, or if we get an error that is known as fix invalid request authentication expired issue. So what you have to do is there are two options. Either just open a new tab and type YouTube. Okay, and go to your channel. Go to here under Creator Studio. Usually we can see an option here known as publish. You just have to click on the link and the video will be published. Otherwise, just refresh the tab and we can see a publish icon, and just click publish, and just wait for 1 minute. Yeah, and the video will be published as you can see. And so we can go to the video manager, and as you can see the videos with 2 views. So this is how to fix the error. Thank you for watching.